And we have Hubble's cat. And this is for Hubble's cat because he wanted to know more stuff about food. And KFAB. Now, yes, this is more about food issue. I'm not going to use CUNY or Dino. Why not, Uncle Al? We want to say all the things we want to say. Not today, I'm busy. Okay, and just in fine prepping with Will Russell. Tomorrow, Monday, check him out. See a local time. It's about integrating surviving groups. Really good show. Please check him out. Uncle Alan's kind of busy and kind of tired. Okay, I got to stuff a lot of food information in a few minutes. Again, K Wood Adventures in Alaska. They or discounted or discontinued Sailor Boy pilot bread in bulk a year and a half ago in the lower 48, which is kind of sad. Now I got to do like everybody else. I'm just tired, kids. Uh, okay, let's see. Put that aside. This is days where Uncle Alan wish he had an assistant. No comedy from Peanut Gallery, Uni and Dino back there. And we're going to do the first from 99-cent store. I got two of these at, let's see, I think 69 cents each. Yeah, got two of them, which is good. I did get finally some Nissan soup, top ramen, got 5 packs. Now these are going into my bug out thing. Not bug out, but my bags, my bolt bags, bug out bags. And I do have cookware and stuff. I did get 5 of these in different flavors. Old standby, doesn't hurt. And I got 5 for, let's see, 5 ramen for $1. Yep, $2. Or is it $1? I can't tell. Nope, $1. So everything came out for $5.20. That's including peanut butter. I checked the sugar content. It's just plain generic peanut butter. The 99-cent store was kind of been looted for the month. I did get Bumblebee like tuna. They were out of the chicken packs and the beef packs. I find out this is really good, but Bumblebee is kind of on the small side. This only provides 70 calories per serving. It's pretty good, and it's dated for March 2022. Yeah, that's a mouthful. And for 20 cents, I did get Poco Fios soup. I think my math is right, but altogether, it came out altogether $5.20 with that batch. And that's going to go in my briefcase after I start things out. Okay, let me put this one over here. And that grand total is $5.20, kids. This is what happens when you wake up early in the morning. My next bag is from Winco. Grocery outlet. I did get some coffee and a pair of slippers. All come out, and that was again coffee I bought for $4.99, and I got slippers, and that came all total $9.32. But the food items $4.99. 16 cups, K-cups. And then I went to Winco because I've been shopping through about 5 different stores. I have the time and effort and strength. I did get some s'more type of granola bars because I've seen the price of the power bars. I didn't like that. And here, let me put this down. Now, pop that out. See, big difference. Sunkissed, Bumblebee. This is 99 cents. This is $1.29. Big difference, kids. I hope I got room to put away stuff. Yep. Okay. I did get a few bars. My trusty favorite, ranch style beans. That's going to be in one of my food boxes or food buckets. I did get some power bars, but I bought the ones that were under 96 cents, and these were the Tiger's Milk. They're kind of small, but it's worth the money and does provide sugar and calories and protein. Okay, I started out in 1982, and these still going strong. Again, another power Tiger's Milk Power Bar. Protein taste, great taste. I can't chew them, no teeth. I did get Nature's Bakery Fig Bar and peach apricot. This is for vegans, and it's, let's see, no gluten, no eggs, all natural, yum, yum, yum. Can't go wrong with that. And it's full of 1% protein, 10% sugar. Not too hot, but still at the small unit. I got 2 of them, and this cost me $1.20. Okay. I think I made a better deal with this one. Now, on my preps, I keep telling people that Uncle Alan's looking for stuff that he can use. This one not under $1. That comes later. I did get more candles. I couldn't find them at Dollar Tree or any place else. I did find it at Winco for under $1 or around $1. 4 of them. That's a pretty good price. I did find bulbs for my night light. Just read of imagination. Magnify your imagination. I use this for something else, not for a night light. Let's see. I did find, like Hubble says, chicken to the store. I did. These are Tasty Bites. Now, normally they would have been $1.10 or $1. They went up to a price to about, I think, $2.42 because of the trade war and also shipping and handling and cost of materials. Now, this will feed about 2.5 people. If you're a vegetarian, you could eat it plain. If you're like me, like a meat eater, you could add other stuff to it and stretch it out. More vegetables, tofu, another protein source like chicken, beef, whatever, and make the chai masala last longer. Now I know Hubble's cat's going, no, no. I have to feed 3 or 4 people, so I have to stretch this stuff out. So if I kill a squirrel or a frog, it goes with that. Again, Bombay potatoes, because I know how to forage, and this and the other things serves about roughly 2 people, and with my rice packets and stuff, it'll go very good. Also vegetarian, Tasty Bites. And yes, it is a pouch type. I have to make space for that into the fruit travel case. I'm switching from cans to these bags. And then we got Indian vegetable coma. I hope I pronounced it right. It's pretty good. I like it. Except it's, yeah, $2.40. And I got vindaloo, which I really like. It's vegetarian, but I could add chicken to it, so I get chicken vindaloo and a good shot of wine. Okay, and that all comes to total, because I have the receipts right here, for the food altogether, about $16.64. still all right, and I still have more funding later, but that's pretty good. It's not great, like a dollar, but I have to make do for price increases and stuff. So anyway, I can still afford things for my bag at a reasonable cost. Now, some things are going to cost me an arm and legs. Other things I can find other store outlets. I live in a fairly good area. Some stuff I can't find, some stuff I could make do, and some stuff is pretty good. So I'll catch you later, kids. This is more food for budget prepping or budget stuff. I like to do more shout outs, but I'm tired and we're getting a little past the 10-minute mark. So I'll catch you kids later. Bye, kids.